In this video you'll discover 12 business ideas for teenagers to start with little or no money. At the end of the video you'll get 2 valuable free gifts to help you start and grow a business, a token of appreciation for watching this video. Teens today have countless resources, platforms, and easy-to-use tech at their fingertips, and due to the number and accessibility of these resources, there's never been a better time for teens to start businesses. You don't have to be a tech genius, or even know a line of code, to get an entire website built in just a few hours, and you don't need to hire a marketing team to promote your business on social media. This is largely the reason behind the rise of the digital and social media teenpreneurs of the past 10 years. However, you don't have to be a social media influencer, or build a tech company to take advantage of these resources and get your feet wet as a teen entrepreneur. In this video we'll walk you through the best businesses you can start as a teen, with little or no money. While nothing is entirely free in this world, these business ideas come pretty dang close. 1. Online tutoring. What can you teach the world? Is it a foreign language or piano? Can you coach fitness or teach coding? Prepare videos and e-learning materials for distribution to your students. Promote your work online through advertising, or by social media. Request your students to provide referrals through friends and relatives. Charge viewers for webinars and workshops held online. Let them buy your video courses, ebooks, webinar recordings, and you will be smiling to the bank, from the comfort of your bed. Create a course on the topic you know best, and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Askademic, or many others. You can also start a blog, create an online course, and sell it to your visitors so you can keep all the profits. You will have to take care of marketing the course, and handle sales and support. 2. Vlogging. No surprise here, YouTube is primarily about videos. Can you create exciting videos that keep viewers returning to your channel? Then you are the right entrepreneur for a YouTube channel. Depending on how successful you are, virality, subscriber base, and topic, you can make a lot of money, and there are plenty of stories every week of more and more YouTubers making it their career. You can earn on YouTube in 2 ways. The number of views on your channel will attract revenue from YouTube advertisers. Secondly, you can feature products on your channel through endorsements. However, endorsements require a careful approach, because they might send viewers who disagree with the brand away from your channel. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing helps you to earn by referring people to purchase a product you recommend. You can promote the products using a website, social media marketing, and other methods. This is one of the easiest ways to earn online, as it only requires a mobile phone with an internet connection. Affiliate marketing has good margins. Most of the affiliate programs pay anywhere between 5% to 40% from the sale. To earn more money, you can sign up for multiple affiliate programs, and focus on those that perform best. It's a lot of work involved, but you grow an asset that will make you money for years to come. Once you have found a niche, and the products you want to recommend, sign up for their affiliate programs, get your unique affiliate links, and start promoting the products. Don't spam, as you risk getting your account disabled. 4. Start a niche website. Setting up a virtual shop and selling items has never been easier than today. 15 years ago, you had to spend at least $10,000 to launch an e-commerce store. Later on, after WordPress and WooCommerce appeared, you could end up with a $1,500 bill. Today, with Shopify, you have to spend just $45, $15 for a domain name and $30 monthly for Shopify, to launch your shop in a matter of hours. Go with niche products, and find unique ways to present and sell them. Go to Shopify, get an account, and set up your first store. Not ready to pay? You get 14 days free trial. Add your products, and start advertising your store. 5. Blogging. Blogging is one of the most popular ways to earn money from home. It involves choosing a profitable niche, starting a blog, and monetizing it to generate revenue when you reach enough traffic. Blogging requires creating quality content, engaging your visitors, and ultimately offering them products and information they need. Most bloggers earn around $500 to $2,000 each month in their first 3 years, and then when their blog has authority in their niches and a solid audience, they can earn more than $20,000 each month, up to $100,000, or even more. It's proven that hard work and persistence pay off in blogging. Choose a niche that can attract substantial traffic. Popular niches are competitive and require top-grade content. Should you settle for the less competitive niches, you should prepare for low traffic numbers. Still, the quality of your content, and how well you market the blog, determine its value. Once it has achieved moderate sustained traffic, you can make money through many methods: affiliate marketing, selling advertising, creating a paid course, and ultimately selling the blog for a profit. 6. Babysitting. It happens that parents or full-time caregivers could be away. Since children cannot be left alone, you are invited to stay with them. The parents or guardians leave behind all provisions, including food and play items. Your role will be to watch over the children. If you love children, this is a role you should embrace. Based on their age, you will have fun times playing with them and teaching them a few of the things you know. It is a social way to spend time and earn a living. Statistic data shows that about 74 million children are ages 18 years old and below, all accounting for 23% of the total population in the U.S. The national average hourly wage for babysitting is $15 in the U.S. So babysitting may prove to be a lucrative business to start. 7. Proofreading. Editing is crucial for any document to avoid misrepresentation that arises out of errors in a written document. An editor is the last person to polish a paper or book before submission. If you are good at grammar, you have a lot of work to do. Luckily for editors, you get to work with clients from all over the world. With a different topic each day, you will enjoy the intellectual discourse while earning your living. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an idea coming to replace the physical store and the need to build extensive warehouses. Your role will be to advertise products on any platform possible, like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay, including creating a website and social media. At this point, you buy the product from the manufacturer or distributor, and ship it to the interested customer. Once a potential client orders, he will send the payment with delivery details. You can sell anything from spoons to yachts, with no penny in your account. In some cases, you never even get to see the product. All you need is a place where your clients can find you, and agree with a delivery company. Goods are paid before ordering or on delivery, eliminating any chances of losing money. Keep in mind that there are some downsides of dropshipping business. High shipping duration, lack of customer support, refunds taking a lot of time, unprofessionalism of sellers. But if you do enough research and choose the best sellers, you can overcome all these downsides, and set your business aside. E-commerce and dropshipping profits have reached over $5 billion, which is an 8% year-on-year increase. Start your research on sites like Amazon, to find products that people want, and then look for sellers on sites like AliExpress, etc. 9. Ebook writing. Ebooks are growing in popularity, as people find a way to read using gadgets. Whether fiction or a tutorial on remote work opportunities, an ebook will be more believable than a blog. Writing an ebook requires extensive research on the subject. Take time to provide credible information in such an easy way that anyone can understand. Authors whose style and content are believable gain a sizable following that will sustain your revenue stream. Pick any area, write, market the book, and begin earning your reward. Once you complete your ebook, you can self-publish and market it via Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. It costs nothing, and if your ebook turns out to be popular, you can make good money. 10. Content writing. People write at work, in school, and of course, some do it as a passion. However, writing is not as straightforward or natural as it sounds. Millions around the world are looking for tutors to help them polish their skills. If you are good at it, you have endless opportunities to start a business on this. The first clients are students handling different assignments. You may also target executives stuck with reports, press releases, memos, and other business materials. 11. Dog walking and care. Individuals and families love dogs, yet they lack time to give them all the attention required. In other cases, a dog owner may be away on a trip, necessitating a pet sitter to stay with the dog. If you love pets, you will have a field day at home, or the home of your client. Pet sitters and walkers have the most specific roles. You feed the dog, collect its poop, and play with it. If it needs walking, you will visit the park or such fun places. It is a dream job with excellent returns. This is a great business that you can start for free, fun, and pays well enough. Start advertising your services on classified websites like Craigslist, Olks, and social media, to get your first customers. Later on, you can get in touch with students, or people who want to have a side gig, and give your customers to share the profits. 12. TShirt printing. The t-shirt retailing business is worth millions of dollars, and relies on efficient t-shirt printers to meet the supply. That's because t-shirts with exciting graphics and funky logos are in high demand. Several suppliers are already in the business, but there is enough room for new players. You can take orders from local businesses or even launch your line. Moreover, this industry allows you to work on your terms. You can choose to work from a small room. A solid business plan is essential if you want to begin your t-shirt printing business. Once you narrow down your niche, create a business plan for your t-shirt business that covers your goals and different opportunities to sell custom t-shirts, then figure out how you'll execute that plan. Once you have your research ready, and have a gram of creativity and the right tools, you will start getting clients and orders. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video to get your free gifts. They are completely free, no strings attached. For more free guides and tips on starting a business, visit us at bizmove.com.